Chop the potatoes with their peel. Boil them for 10 minutes. Put them in a hot pan to dry them. Fry them for 10 minutes till they get a golden crust. Remove them on kitchen papers. Serve them and season them with salt, oregano and red pepper. Chop the potatoes and put them in cold water for half an hour. Dry them with a kitchen towel. Fry them in medium heat for 10 minutes and remove them on kitchen papers. Turn up the heat. Refry the potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes till they get a golden crust. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe to my channel.